Hi, today I'm gonna teach you how to advertise your Shopify products and how to increase the sale. Let's come to the computer screen, and the first thing you should be focused on is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is actually you have to optimize your pages, your description, your images, and your metadata according to the keyword research you have done for your store. First thing, your product description should focus the keywords, and keywords must be in a normal tune. Second thing, you should optimize your media. You should use optimized media, like you should put their alt text and captions, and your keywords must be in their captions or in alt text. And the next thing, you should use your page title, and there must be keywords in your page title, and you must be aware of the meta description and how to write a best meta description that will uplift your product in search ranking. So the first thing you should be focused on that is the search engine optimization. If you are competent, you can do it yourself, and if not, you can hire a professional for making your product search engine optimized. Now, the second thing you should focus in terms of advertisement and in terms of increasing the sales is the social media presence. Your products, your Shopify store must have the social media pages, and you must be active on those social media pages. Your content, social media posts should be good enough so that the people like that post, and your post actually attracts the people to buy your products. So social media marketing, social media advertising is also necessary for increasing the sales of your Shopify store. The third thing you should be focused on that is to short intro videos of your products. Actually, short intro videos plays an important role, and when you will optimize these videos in YouTube or some other channels, there is a big chance of grabbing the customers from the market. And next thing is to create the landing pages, your sale funnels, so that you can attract audiences, you can attract customers to your products. And email marketing is also a vital role in uplifting your sales. So these are the necessary things that I have discussed in this video for uplifting the sales or uplifting of your Shopify store. You may advertise your product with the help of these channels. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.